Hello everyone, welcome to today's One Card Wonder Wednesday for Wednesday, December 18th, 2019. I hope you can see everything good on here. I am actually out of town today, visiting family for the holidays, so this is recorded. I wish it was live, but it's recorded. But we are going to be using the Waterfront Stamp Set today to make a super simple birthday card. And also we're going to use Birthday from A Wish for Everything. This is a 2-box set of sentiments. And this is the card we are going to make. Now, I saw this card on Pinterest. The original designer is craftyscouter.com, and this is the card we're going to make. So I hope you enjoy it. So first we're going to take a piece of thick whisper white and go ahead and fold it on your score line. Then you are going to have a stitched rectangle. I don't know if you've seen the stitched rectangle dies. If you haven't, I haven't been doing my job. I'll make sure the measurement for which rectangle I used is on my blog with all my other measurements. You're going to have a piece of balmy blue and also a piece of basic black cardstock. So this is really one of the simplest cards I have made in a long time, but I love how elegant it looks and how wonderfully it turned out. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to stamp this little sand part with Memento ink. Get that calf out of the way so we have plenty of room. You're just going to go right around the center, maybe a little bit below the center. And you can stamp off, ink it again, stamp again. You can do as many as you want or as few as you want to make it however you want. This is just basically your land for this card. Then you're going to take this piece, which can be water or sky, whatever you want it to be. And you do not want to do Memento, you want to go to balmy blue. So get some balmy blue out. Ink it. I'm going to set this card away so I don't get any ink on it. Ink it up, and then you're going to start out full strength and then ink off. I should have put my pad underneath it as it didn't quite stamp right there. You can stamp at full strength again if you want, stamp off. You can stamp off as many times as you want to get the desired effect that you want. Now, since our trees are going to be going right here where that didn't quite stamp, that's going to be okay. And again, I should probably get my mat out, but look, I'm still going to keep stamping without it. And then just stamp down a little bit for the bottom part of your card. So you've basically got sky and possibly lake. If you did it in different colors, you could make it grass and sky, you know, however you want to do it. Then get your Memento ink back out again, and we're going to do these awesome pine trees. We're going to stamp them once, and then we'll stamp it again. And then we are going to use that birthday from that Well Wishes stamp set, and we're going to use Happy, which I cut out from these well-written dies. They got all these fancy words on them, or fantastic words on them. Not fancy, I guess you could call them fancy. I don't know if they're fancy or not. But I'm just going to take a little bit of Tombow glue and just dot it on the back, because you just want your Happy stuck down. It doesn't have to be perfect. Once you get it stuck down, just some little dots. And I did the HA right over top of the birthday because it just fit right there. And then just set your block on it for a second just to let it dry. While that's drying, you can go ahead and layer your basic black and your balmy blue pieces of paper, and just layer your basic black over top of your balmy blue. And you just have a tiny smidge of excess, so it just goes over just a little bit. And then you're going to do the same with this whisper white. Got a piece of basic black on the back of that from going through the die cutter. right, layer this right on here. And then all you're going to do is layer it on the front of your card. Now, for this one, actually, I'm going to take and pop it up with some dimensionals so we can see what the difference is, how it looks with dimensionals and without. Because why not? Let's give it a shot. You can hear the mailman going by. It's the middle of the day right now. Because like I said, I'm going to be out and about actually on the 18th, even though you're watching this on the 18th. Visiting family for the holidays. So there. So there's the version on the left is not popped up. The version on the right is popped up. It just gives it, you know, a little bit of that dimension, and you can see it even without me flipping it up like that. But I hope you enjoyed today's One Card Wonder Wednesday for December 18th, 2019. And I will probably have another recorded video next week, as Wednesday is Christmas Day. So have a great day. I live and love to inspire you. Thank you and bye.